some tuning today, some testing for the new tune chip I made for a customer. I test every chip before I ship them out to the customer, and usually always work pretty good. Whoop, it timed out the screen. This is the wideband ratings. It is like 60 degrees out here, so it's a little rich right now, but not too bad. That's idling at about 800 RPMs. Alright. She's still idling a little high because she's cold. It's very cold today. So we're going to hit the road here and go around the block and see how she does. Yep, got my log going. So we'll see what she does. Not too bad of runs. It's the 12.51 is like a 14-pound boost run, real quick. A little rip. A lot of traffic on the roads right now with the holiday shopping, so I can't do too many rips. And not too bad. The one on the left, the 12.55, was like an 8-pound little boost run there, and not too bad. Should work very well.